The enduring significance of nature drawing, sharpening senses, deepening understanding. In an era increasingly dominated by digital interfaces and stimulated realities, the simple act of nature drawing, observing the natural world, and translating it onto paper retains profound and multifaceted importance. For more than mere pastime or a primarily step for aspiring artists, engaging in nature drawing cultivates spectrum of invaluable skills and fosters deeper, more nuanced appreciation for the tapestry of life around us. Its practice a potent antidote to the passive consumption of imagery, demanding instead active engagement, cellular observation, and heightened sense of presence. One of the most significant contributions of a nature drawing lies in its unparalleled ability to sharpen observation acuity, to draw a leaf, a feather, or a subtle curve of a distance. Heal one must glance. The artist is compelled to texture from light and shadow with intensity that every day rarely demands. The rigorous visual integration uncovers details previously unnoticed. The delicate venation of a petal, the almost imperceptible shift in a color on bird's plump, the complex interplay of branches against the sky is heightened power of observation extend far beyond the artistic realm, proving beneficial in scientific inquiry, problem solving, and indeed any field that requires a keen eye for detail and true understanding of visual information. Furthermore, nature drawing serves as a vital bridge between artistic expression and scientific understanding. Historically, botanical illustration and geological sketching and anatomical drawings were dispensable tools for scientific discovery and dissemination. The act of meticulously rendering a specimen necessitates profound understanding of its structure, function, and its relationship to its environment. This process encourages a mode of inquiry that is both analytical and intuitive, fostering a holistic comparison that often eludes purely textual or photographic documentation. For students of biology, ecology, and environmental science, nature drawing can transform abstract concepts into tangible realities, solidifying knowledge and inspiring further investigation. Beyond its cognitive and scientific benefits, nature drawing offers a powerful avenue for fostering mindfulness and profound connection with the natural world. In a society perpetually rushed and distracted, the focused attention required to draw from nature provides meditative respite. It encourages a slowing down, a quiet contemplation of a subject, and immersion in the present moment. This sustained engagement cultivates sense of intimacy and empathy with the environment, nurturing respect for biodiversity and awareness of the delicate ecological environment balances place, such as connection is increasingly crucial in the age grappling with environment, as it can inspire more profound commitment to conservation and stewardship. Moreover, the practice of nature drawing is fundamental to artistic development itself. It provides an inexhaustible source of inspiration, challenging the artist with an infinite variety of forms, colors, and compositions. It hones technical skills in a line, tone, and perspective, providing a solid foundation upon which more abstract or conceptual artistic exploration can be built. The inherent unpredictability and organic complexity of nature rush artists beyond preconceived notion, encouraging experimentation and fostering a unique visual vocabulary. In conclusion, the importance of making nature drawing transcends its apparent simplicity. It is an active, intellectually stimulating, and emotionally resonant pursuit that sharpens our sense, deepens our understandings of both art and science, cultivate mindfulness, and strengthens our connection to the environment. In a world that often prioritizes virtual over the tangible or the enduring practices of observing and rendering, the natural world remains indispensable tool for holistic education, personal enrichment, and fostering a more perspective and appreciative human experience. The profound importance of teaching nature drawing to teach children. In an increasingly digital world, the profound benefits of connecting children with the natural environment often risk being overlooked. Among the myriad ways to foster this crucial bond, teaching nature drawing stands out an exceptionally potent pedagogical tool. Far more for being a more artistic pastime, this practice offers holistic development experience, cultivating not only aesthetic appreciation but also critical, cognitive, emotional, and physical skills essentials for well-rounded individual. As its core, nature drawing initially sharpens a child's observational faculties. Unlike passive viewing, the act of nature drawing demands intense purity of form, texture, light, and shadow. A child sketching a leaf must meticulously observing its veins, serrations, and unique contours, noticing details that won't otherwise escape their attention. This process hones their ability to perceive the nuances of the world around them, fostering a keen eye for detail that stands the art class and informs their approach to learning and problem solving in all disciplines. This heightened awareness cultivates a deeper understanding and appreciation for intricate beauty and complexity of ecosystems. Beyond observation, nature drawing is a powerful catalyst for creativity and imagination. When children are encouraged to interpret what they see, they are given license to expand their unique perspective. A tree is not just a tree, it becomes a character in their personal narrative, imbued with their feelings and interpretations. This imaginative engagement strengthens their ability to think divergently, encouraging innovative thought and fostering a sense of wonder. It provides an unconcentrated outlet for self expression, allowing them to communicate their inner world throughout visual language, which is particularly beneficial for those who may struggle with a verbal articulation.